Ngisathanda kuthola umbiko la kuthiwa uJaden Adams, i-midfielder ye-Stellenbosch FC, have been dropped by Hugo Broos kwiBafana Bafana. UHugo Broos wenze i-announcement wathi I've dropped Jaden Adams from the squad of iBafana Bafana for bad behavior. Mengiyilandelela indaba kuthiwa uJaden Adams the reason why idrophiwe izolo udrophiwe because uhlulekile ukufika on time kwi-camp yesterday. Uhlulekile ukufika on time with other players. I-camp yeBafana Bafana this time around iqale early and abadlali abade bedlala kwi-final babekelwe ukuthi bafike izolo. Most players abanjengosibisi abanjengosipho Chain bafikile kwi-camp izolo. I-most nje abadlali be-Orlando Pirates bafikile kwi-camp izolo nabadlali bayi-Stellenbosch bayile kwi-camp but inkinga ibikuJaden Adams. Akakacaci kahle ukuthi yini into emenze waba late but uHugo Broos umdrophile. Ngokwami on my analysis on my looking mhlawumbe umfana usanalento yange final yabo mhlawumbe usanale yankwali yange final emdala ukuthi yabo mhlawumbe angabi kahle yabo emoyeni ayojoin iBafana Bafana le cause iBafana Bafana na inabadlali beOrlando Pirates mhlawumbe ngeke babonane ngaso linye yabo mhlawumbe yenye izinto yamenze wafika late kwi-squad iBafana Bafana wa decide ukuthi bamdrop. But this is not good for iBafana Bafana because I saw ukuthi ngefinal kwalimala uMbatha and uMbatha is one of the midfielders ababebiziwe kwi-squad iBafana Bafana. So ngempela indlela ezodlala ngayo iBafana Bafana kumele yenze sure ukuthi ifaka abadlali bangempela ba right noma ibiza abadlali abangabizwanga kwi-squad because ukuhlalisa uJaden Adams ngeke kube right ngempela akubuke kukahle but ke masekhulumile ke uHugo Broos usekhulumile asinakwazi ukushintsha lokho. Indaba lezi ephuma manje kuthiwa nje udrophiwe kwi-squad iBafana Bafana. Nibona kumbono right for uHugo Broos usenze lento le noma